Namaste everyone. I hope you are doing good. Today going to show the postures for the back pain. Let me tell about back pain. There are two kind of back pain. First is that comes from strained muscles, and second, some structural problems on the back, such as a slip disc or any other problem. I will make another video, second video, that will be dedicated the problems related to structural problems on the back. But today the postures that will help on lower back that comes due to strain of the muscles, happen due to many reasons. For example, lifting heavy objects, sudden awkward movement, or stiffness of the muscles due to overwork, overactivity, like a prolonged hour of working on the yard or shifting the things. That time everyone feel the back aching, back muscles and the stiffness of the back. So to ease that stiffness, these postures gonna to help. Let's start. First pose is Tadasana. Distribute the body weight on both feet equally. Raise arms up with inhale, interlace fingers, turn palms upwards, straighten elbows, shoulders roll back and lift up. With inhale, lift your heels high, come to on toes, focus your gaze at a point in front of you. Exhale. Hold as long as you hold your breath inside, and then come down. Inhale, exhale. So this practice is going to lengthen your spine and the spinal muscles as well. Next, this one I have to do about 3 to 4 times. Triyak Tadasana. Make a gap in between the feet, about 1.5 feet. Hands by the side. Inhale. Lift your left arm up. Lift shoulder high. Keep right arm to the thigh and bend sideways. Try to lengthen side muscles and go up. Exhale. Roll back shoulder and look upward. Keeping knees straight. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Same thing, other side. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. This one repeat 3 times from both sides. After 1 week or 2 weeks practice these poses, you can move to a little bit advance on this modification. Go on like that and then bend side. Same thing, both sides. Third pose, Kati Chakrasana. This is very good to twist the spine. Inhale, exhale. Turn your left side. Left hand on back and right hand on left shoulder. Keeping legs straight, lengthen spine and twist. Inhale, exhale. Twist spine, Push right shoulder back. Lengthen spine, don't bend down. Inhale, exhale. This one going to twist the spine. Each and every vertebra is moving. So this one 4 times from both sides. Next practice, sit in Vajrasana, and this is Shashankasana, commonly known as child pose. Inhale, move to Cobra, slowly. Lift your chin, chest, using your spinal muscles more to support the upper body weight. Keep pelvis on floor. Exhale. Try to put weight on pelvic. Don't lift up. And weight on back muscles. Engage back muscles with inhale. Inhale. Like that. And then go down. Push hips back. Come to child pose. Or Shashankasana. So in this practice, 2 poses involved. First is Shashankasana, child pose, and move to Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. From Cobra to Shashankasana. Repeat 1 time more. Inhale. Exhale. Like that. So this one have to do about 5 to 6 times. Next, head pose, cat cow stretch. Inhale, exhale. Expand your back, tuck tailbone. Inhale, arch, lengthen your neck, look up. This one, 10 to 20 times. Twisting pose, sitting twisting pose. Simple, this one. You can put foot inside or cross the knee. Cross your opposite hand and twist. Make sure sit bone touching to the floor. Don't lift like that. Grounding. Lengthen spine and twist. Once you twist, exhale. Come back, inhale. If you hold the pose, always breathing normal. Keep this knee upright. Don't move in or out. This one repeat 2 times from each side. Next. Here. This is Chakki Chalasana, churning meal pose. You can open your leg more if possible. Go back with engaging core and then move toward the left. Then move further, center, go your right foot, then lean back from hips and come forward. Breathing, reverse. Inhale, going back, and exhale, coming forward. It's like that. So this one repeat 5 round clockwise for 5 anti-clock. Next, lifting leg and make a big circle on here with foot. It's like that. Open, reach your foot maximum in all directions. Breathing normal, or you can do 1 round, 1 breath. Reverse. 5 round clockwise, 5 anti-clock. Repeat from both legs. Next, Pad Sanchalana, cycling. Make sure this one don't do like that, okay? The legs will go forward, not upwards. And try to flat lower back on floor. Move like that. 10 times forward and then reverse 10 times. These numbers gradually will increase as your practice becomes ripened. Next, twisting. Try to keep shoulders touching on floor and then push knee downward. Both sides. Repeat 3 times from it. So these are the few practices. It will take at minimum 15 minutes, not more. Please, one thing I want to repeat again. These all the postures for those who have common back pain due to strain on muscles, not due to slip disc. This one please remember. I hope you like this video. Thank you. See you again.